In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speak in ChatGPT. 2026 full guide. First, let's find the voice control. On desktop, head to chatgpt.com and sign in. Look at the message bar along the bottom of the page. On the far right inside that box, you'll see the waveform icon, a small set of vertical sound bars. That's your voice activator. On the official iOS or Android app, it's in the same spot, lower right corner, next to your prompt field. Tap or click it whenever you're ready to talk. If this is your first time using voice, your browser or device will ask for microphone access. Choose Allow so ChatGPT can hear you. After that, you'll notice one of two interface styles. Advanced voice mode appears as a glowing blue orb or a dynamic center waveform. It's designed for fast, natural back and forth and can pick up sarcasm, emphasis, and shifts in tone. If system load is high, you might see a black circle instead. That's standard voice mode, which transcribes your speech to text before creating an audio reply. Either way, you can speak normally and keep the conversation moving. For smooth pacing, share one complete thought, then pause briefly. That natural break tells the system to respond. Also, say your constraints out loud so you get exactly what you want. For example, search the web and give me a quick 2-sentence summary of the top news headlines this morning and explain it like I'm completely new to the topic. If ChatGPT starts replying and you realize it missed something, just begin talking over it. In advanced voice mode, it will stop mid-sentence and listen to your correction. You don't need to repeat yourself when refining. Short commands like make that way shorter, say it in a friendlier tone, or give me a practical example of that last point will instantly reshape the answer while keeping context. To change the narrator's sound, open your profile initials in the bottom left corner. Choose Settings, go to General, and open the voice dropdown. Preview the 2026 voices such as Breeze, Sol, Juniper, or Cove, and select the tone that fits your workflow. For clean audio, move closer to your microphone or use headphones with an inline mic, especially in busy spaces. On mobile, enable voice isolation to reduce background noise. When you're done, click the X on the voice overlay. Your entire session is automatically transcribed into the chat window so you can review notes, code, or references later. Switching from typing to the waveform icon turns ChatGPT into a fast, hands-free conversational partner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.